If you are a YouTube short creator, please do not ignore these new updates because this can change how people watch your videos. Hello creators! Today I want to share the latest YouTube short updates and explain what they mean for us creators. Kasi guys, patuloy po na nagbabago ang YouTube. Kaya importante po talaga na malaman natin kung paano tayo makaka-adjust para mas mapaganda pa ang paggawa natin ng mga videos. And to grow also our audience. So, ang number one changes po is short viewing experience. Okay, so ano po ang ibig sabihin ng short viewing experience? YouTube is improving how people watch shorts. Mas magiging malinis, simple ang short screen po ngayon para mas makapag-focus ang mga viewers sa video natin or sa video mo. YouTube is also adding new features like fastest or faster playback, no? Which means viewers can watch and more content quickly. They can play faster, okay? Why does this matter for creators? Okay? This means creators have less time to grab attention. The first few seconds are very important po. Okay? So if your video starts slow, people can easily swipe away. So, hindi po talaga yan maganda. So, what should creators do? Start with your strongest moment. Yun talaga guys ang unang gagawin ng isang creator. Start with your strongest moment. Use a strong hook. Okay, interesting questions to the audience or yung nakakagulat na moments. Okay, huwag niyong gawin na intro yung hello guys. Find something that audience will get interested. Number 2, more AI tools creators. Wow! Ibig sabihin, AI can help save time, especially for creators who edit alone. Yes, at nakakatulong din sa paggawa ng content ng mabilis. Pero, tandaan nating lahat, ang AI ay isang tool lang. Ang sariling style pa rin natin ang dahilan kung bakit tayo sinusundan ng mga tao. Kaya kailangan may creativity ka. Okay? At gamitin lang ang AI pag ikaw ay naubusan ng mga ideas, caption, or at edit suggestion. Okay? Pero remember always, stay your own style. Okay? And then, of course, number 3, short trains and discovery tools. Okay? It means po, YouTube is giving creators more ways to discover what sounds, topic, and style are becoming popular. Pwede nyo siyang sundin yung mga ideas nila, but you have to have your own creativity. Okay? At syempre guys, ang huli is retention. Importante talaga ang retention. It means, tinitingnan ni YouTube kung gaano katagal pinanood ng mga tao ang video mo. Kapag natapos ng mga tao panoorin ang video mo, ibig sabihin po niyan is nagustuhan nila ang video mo. Kaya ang dapat mong gawin, pag short ang upload mo, number 1, malakas na hook, agad-agad. Okay? And number 2, walang mahabang intro. Importante po yan. Number 3, tuloy-tuloy ang kwento. Huwag hihinto. And number 5, magandang punchline. Okay? At number 6, consistency. Yes po guys. Yun talaga ang importante nating mga creators. But, bago natin tapusin, My advice for every creators, don't chase every update. Okay? Learn the changes, but focus on what never changes. Make people stop scrolling. That's your goal. That's our goal. Watch and enjoy your content. Thank you for watching everyone, and I hope na nakakatulong po ako sa ating lahat, lalo na yung mga baguhang creator na gaya ko. Thank you for watching, and I love you all.